Hi, Johnny from Songwriters Chop Shop here. So we've all been there, staring at a blank page or an empty DAW, not knowing where to begin. Maybe the theory of relativity can help. Einstein begun his theory of relativity while he daydreamed about riding on a sunbeam to the edge of the universe. So what's that got to do with songwriting? Imagination. Why not give it a go next time you're finding it hard to write a song? Imagine your song is already finished and a hit. Then have an imaginary interview on what the song is about and the process of how it all came together. This might help you to visualize the song before you write it, and it's a fun way to answer the who, the what, the how, and more importantly, the why of the song. Find the song's theme and you find its heart. Find its heart and the audience has a place to connect to. Practice by watching a music video from a song you don't know with the sound turned down and guess what the song is about. Then create your own music for that video. Let your imagination run wild. Have fun with this and get visual. Catch you next time.